YouTube channel. I am back with another video and this will be a puja vlog. So yes, today is Ashtami and like we are going to Mandir for offering our prayer and then we'll be coming home and in evening we are going out with my friends and my cousins. So yes, let's start today's video. Hey guys, so I'm gonna wear this kurti and it's like almost 2 years old. Okay, fine, it's not a big deal I guess. So yes, perfect for Ashtami morning. So let's quickly do my makeup. I am ready and I'm gonna put my hair like this. Okay, so let's go to the mandir. After Kalesh seats. মই দি আছোঁ ধৰি আছোঁ Hey guys, so it's like about 4 p.m. and we will be now getting ready for the evening because me and my sister and my cousin and one of my friends, so we are going out to visit some puja pandals and like we have decided that we will be going to two of the famous places, but let's see if there is not that much crowd, then maybe we'll visit some more. Yes, let's first of all get ready. Hey guys, so I am ready and I'm wearing this white kurti. It's flowy and I have like 2 pairs of churni and I don't know which one will look good with this, so let's check this both. Okay, so first one I will try this pink one. Okay, let's check this. I think this red one is looking good, right? Yes, I'm going to wear this. Should I go like this? Let's quickly do my makeup and I will come back to you and we will decide which pair of earrings I will wear it today. Hey guys, so I am ready and like I have all these bangles. These are not mine, these are my mother's. I have wore this oxidized earrings. Yes, ready. I'm not done with my hair. I don't know what I will do. Let's keep it like this. It's like bit too much for puja. I don't know. Oh no. Jaldi dia kalau man. Hey guys, I was too tired to vlog after days, so I'm gonna end my vlog here. If you have enjoyed my today's vlog, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share to all your friends. Bye bye and see you all in my next video.